Hello friends, this is WikiDIT. Welcome to my another video. Today we'll talk about how to make money online with Telegram channel. 4 ways to earn money. Telegram is becoming one of the best places to earn money online. Today we're gonna show 4 ways how you can make money with your Telegram channel or group. To know details, just watch this video first to last. To get more this related video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start it after a short intro. Telegram is one of the fastest growing social platforms and messengers right now. In 2022, it has over 400 million active users all over the world, especially in India, Africa, Russia, and US. Approximately 7 lakh users join Telegram every month. The audience of the messenger is growing, as well as the number of users of Telegram channels, groups, and bots. As a result, it becomes one of the biggest platforms for online make money. People all over the world create Telegram communities, channels, and groups and monetize them online. The most successful business in Telegram earns up to $10,000 per month. First of all, you need to know about what is Telegram. Telegram is an open source messenger. For now, it's the only popular messenger that guarantees the safety and privacy of user and their data. For that reason, the app features secret chats, encrypted messages that can't accessed by other people or forwarded. If one of two people makes a screenshot of the chat using screenshot Chrome extension, the other one will be notified. Other features of Telegram are channel and group create communities, free stickers that can be even easily created by Telegram users, media sharing, voice calls, video and audio messages. The Telegram has launched in 2013 by the team of Pavel Durov, who was famous for making a Russian analog of Facebook, VK. Telegram stays one of the apps with millions of user data that is not acquired by a third party. The messenger is mostly popular in Russia, Uzbekistan, Europe, India, Iran, Indonesia, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Kenya, and some other countries in Africa and Asia. It's the fastest growing messenger app outside WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Now we'll know about what is a Telegram channel. Telegram channel is a tool in Telegram to create themed group and broadcast any content to subscribers. Telegram channel is similar to the Facebook group in its concept. There you can share any concept, post, text, image, special offers, etc. The only difference is that users can't publish their content or message on the channel. All publication can be made only by admins. It's a one-way broadcasting tool, but subscribers can view your post, participate in polls, and click the links. Now we'll know about what is a Telegram group. Telegram group is a tool to engage with subscribers. It's basically a group that can be chat with others where you can exchange messages with members. It's more similar to WhatsApp groups. It's hard to use groups for content broadcasting due to the chaotic nature of groups. The good thing about groups is that it's possible to get user-generated content and feedback from clients or users. How to make the most of your Telegram channel. Here are some valuable tips for making the most of your Telegram channel while monetizing it. Find the niche. There are a few hundred of Telegram channels and it's hard to attract the same audience as big channels. Don't make just general channels about movies. Find the niche about comedy movies in India. For example, research keywords, look at other Telegram channels to find an opportunity to stand out from the competition. Set a simple and clean logo. Seriously, it's one of the common mistakes by Telegram owners. The logo shouldn't have too many details or information on it. Don't use real photos of people or anything else. You don't need to be a designer to see what is good or bad. Use keywords in a channel name. Keywords are powerful tools to make someone searchable and discoverable by users. The keywords should reflect your channel niche and be specific and true to it. If you have a channel about robot toys for dogs in India, then name your channel approximately. Don't just name it Robot Boys. Be specific. Don't give your channel a branded name unless your brand is popular like Pepsi. Most consistently, you need to have some sort of content strategy. Subscribers should get new content each day to stay engaged. There is nothing good about posting once a month. This way you will lose your members. Don't post too much. If you plan to publish around 15 new posts a day, then stop before even making it. According to our experiments, the more you publish, the more your channel gets muted. Yeah, constant notifications are annoying and users tend to mute them. Muted channels mean fewer views and fewer active users. How can you send your services or ads if only 10 users view your content out of 1000? Publish unique content. That's correct. Stop copy pasting content from other channels or the internet. First, people have already seen it. Second, it's not good to disrespect copyright rules. If you publish someone's content, then you have at least to credit the author. Can you also mention that only a unique contest can go viral? Well, yes, one good piece of your creativity or knowledge can make your whole channel popular. Create both channel and group. If you can't choose what you should create for your business or content, channel or group, then create both. In our experience, it's a better choice. For example, ghar has a channel for official news and updates and a group where users exchange their questions, issues, and help each other. The best strategy of Telegram monetization is to please users and clients in every possible way. Use Telegram for promotion of other social media links. If you have a Facebook page, Instagram, or even WhatsApp group, don't hesitate to share links in our or your channel once in a while. Users can abandon one of the platforms eventually, and this is your way to stay in touch with them. Don't change your channel concept. If you had a channel about cricket, don't suddenly make it about funny videos with puppies or cats. This is a fast way to lose your users. Someone interested in one them can be not interested in your new idea. If you want a channel with a new theme, then just create it from scratch. You can promote it on your primary channel. The only case is when you can change the idea of your channel. You have 100 members there and you want to make your channel more specific for your niche. So now we want to know about make money from Telegram channel. How can you make money with a Telegram channel? Telegram channel doesn't pay for channels or groups themselves. There is no monetization program inside it. However, in late 2020, it has announced that Telegram monetization will be launched anytime soon. The messenger is planning on introducing ads in the public channel. But even without an official monetization opportunity, Telegram is one of the most popular platforms for advertising. People already make thousands of dollars per month by selling their products, services, or ads on Telegram channels. We'll show 4 strategies for your channel to make money from Telegram channel. Number 1. Sell your service and products. Whether you are an affiliate seller, Amazon, AliExpress, or Flipkart, you have your own brand. You can always promote your products and services to a large audience registered in Telegram and get new clients via this social platform. It's basically the same as running social media, Facebook or Instagram or others. Number 2, sell ads. Posting ads and paid post in your channel or groups is one of the most popular ways of Telegram monetization. If you have more than 50k members, you can easily sell any promotional post with links to other Telegram channel users. Usually the price of advertising depends on a few factors: duration of promo and number of channel members. Prices can range sometimes somewhere between 1 to 48 hours long promo publication. The shorter time, the small price, the smaller effect for the client. Most Telegram channel or group owners aim for 24 hours long publication, so it's better to make your price for this duration the most attractive. Number 3, paid subscription. Sell the access to premium or valuable content to your users. It usually works that way. You have a public channel to get a large base of followers and a private channel with premium content. Access to the private channel is allowed by the special link to members who pay subscription fees regularly. This way you can charge people monthly and get a constant source of income. Popular examples of Telegram channel monetization by subscription: betting tips for sport like cricket, soccer, etc. Number 4, sell your channel. That's right, if you have enough members in your Telegram channel, you can sell it to someone else. Set a good price and make cash by transferring your ownership to your potential client. After that, you can go and create another channel, grow it and sell it again. That's a whole different business on Telegram. Income from one channel can be easily from $550 to $5,000. The more members you have with a good engagement rate, the higher price of the channel can be. You can easily use these techniques to monetize your Telegram channel or even group. But to get a good income, whether you sell premium content, ads or channels themselves, you need to get a high number of Telegram subscribers. The math is simple: more members equals to more income. Okay friends, today's over. For more information about Telegram channel income, you can follow my channel. If you have any question, you can comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.